Hey YouTube, I'm back. I know it's been quite a big minute before I've been putting another video out, and I apologize guys. I've been going through quite a bit. Going through some health stuff and trying to get myself better and just a lot of other things. But no, nothing's really changed. Other than the last few, I'd say 3 to 4 weeks with this heat wave, we've actually lost 2 chickens. They both passed away. I don't know what it's from. Whenever all the other ones seem to be doing pretty good. And they did end up breaking their little ramp right there. That's going to be the next thing. I think I'm going to try to make a homemade one with the bars here. I'm going to use the screen that I have in there. Do that. And compost, doing okay. My wife actually threw some potatoes we had and we weren't going to eat, threw them in there, and they started sprouting like crazy. But I think something got to them. I don't know. They just ate the sides of the potato. I didn't have enough compost to keep covering it to try to get them started, so I'm gonna let them go, see what happens. Like, they're all lined up in there. Might be able to see some actually right there, but or maybe not. But anyways, another little update video on the pepper seed that I planted in the little thing here is actually growing. That was a surprise to me. So you guys see this here? The one right there, that's actually the sweet peppers. This one might be, I don't know. Kind of hope it is, but we don't know yet for sure. What that is for sure. This was just all my compost. I didn't think it would actually work, but it did. So I think what I'm trying to do, it's going to be kind of hard to bite the bullet, but I think what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to pick up another tool. Part of my, because I'm trying to use the Ryobi line. I kind of like them. They're my first like major like tool set as far as being like a first time homeowner and all that sort of stuff. So I'm just starting to build out things as much as buy what I can when I can afford it. But I'm taking things down. Like I said, I haven't done much back here. I got to take all this down, put this part together, and I think I'm going to start growing it all right here where I had it before previously. I'm going to get it. What I'm actually going to do, the tool I'm going to buy, is actually going to be a, I forgot what they call it. It's like a little mini rototiller. It's a battery powered rototiller. So I'm going to get one of those just so I can get the ground turned up and weed it out and everything and give it a shot. And I'm going to plant that pepper and we get some other seeds we're going to try. Just see what we can do to get things started. Because we do know for sure we're going to get some land somewhere. We don't know exactly where yet. Maybe here in Oklahoma, I don't know yet. Yeah, possibly Arizona, the desert. And I know it's a big, huge difference in things, but we don't know for sure yet. Well, we are thinking of doing something. Just trying to wait for the best time and get the best property we can for the money. If I do have, after getting the rototiller, if I have enough money, I'm gonna try. I think I can get it. I think I can build this whole thing right here by myself. Just a real basic one, just rectangle, maybe 8x4. So it'll be 8 feet long, 2 feet high. No, sorry, 8 feet long, 4 feet high, 4 feet deep. So it'll be like a long rectangle. So that'll be in the future videos coming up. I know I've said it before, but I'm gonna do my best to get things going. Anyways, guys, just a little update. I know I've been a while since I've posted a video, so again, I apologize. So I'm gonna do my best to try to get back on track and get things going. So anyways, all right, guys, I will talk to you soon. See you on the next one.